Hello and welcome back to Trigonometry Practice 3. So in this video we're going to use trigonometry to find the angle of a triangle. So if you look at this first triangle, we have two sides. We have the hypotenuse as 50 centimetres and the adjacent side to theta at 18 centimetres. Now we know that the cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, the cosine of theta is going to be 18 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.36. So to get the value of theta, we have to invert that by getting the cosine to -1, or it's also called the arccos of 0.36, and that's equal to 68.9 degrees. So if we try finding theta on the next triangle, you can see we have the hypotenuse, which is 20 centimetres, and the opposite side, which is 14 centimetres. Now we know that the sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So in this case, the sine of theta is equal to 14 divided by 20, and that's equal to 0.7. So to get theta, we have to invert that. So we have to get sine to the -1, or the arc sine of 0.7, which is 44.4 degrees. So now you have your value of theta. And in the last triangle, we have the opposite side, which is 18.3 centimetres, and the adjacent side, which is 17.1 centimetres. And we know that the tangent of theta, or tan theta, is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So here, the tan of theta is 18.3 divided by 17.1, which is equal to 1.07. So to find theta, we have to get tan to the -1, or arc tan, of 1.07, and that's equal to 46.9 degrees. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful and you could hit that like button, that would be great, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.